This is the story of Kelvin, who started with the 20 bob challenge and now has bought an acre of land in Kithyoko, Machakos County as he works towards his goal of living off-grid. For a long time, Kelvin, who earns a net salary of 80,000 shillings, wanted to buy a parcel of land. However, he kept postponing the goal because, well, life was happening. Then, in January 2025, he came across the 20 bob challenge, which is managed by Money 254. This challenge is a community of like-minded savers who follow a structured savings plan. The concept here was simple. On January 1st, the community of savers started by saving 20 shillings, and then the following days, they increased the amount saved per day by 20 shillings. Which means that on January 2 they saved 40 shillings, January 3 they saved 60 shillings, and so on and so forth. Then at the start of the following month, the amount will reset. But the daily savings target increased by 20 shillings compared to the previous month. This means that on February 1st, instead of saving 20 shillings, the participant saved 40 shillings. The challenge was designed such that if each participant stayed on course, they would have saved around 155,000 shillings at the end of that year. This challenge appealed to Kelvin because the structure was already predetermined, while the community, which is managed through WhatsApp groups, provided accountability and encouragement. Previously, Kelvin had relied on his ability to remember to save, and this made it easy for him to fall off. He stuck with the 20 bob savings challenge, and by the end of December 2025, he had saved around 155,000 shillings. Given that he was saving this money in an MMF, he was also earning interest, and so he was encouraged to continue. He kept saving, and by July 2026, which is roughly 18 months after he had started the challenge, he had already amassed around 225,000 shillings. His job was remote, which fit perfectly with his goal of living off-grid. With the amount he had saved to that point, he started shopping around for a parcel of land, and luckily, he found an acre that he bought in Kithyoko, Machakos County. His goal is to escape Nairobi's rent demand and traffic chaos, while also reducing his cost of living that comes with the city life. He currently spends around 17,000 shillings per month on a one-bedroom house in Nairobi. Now, Kelvin is working on building a small house, installing solar panels for electricity, and investing in installing internet before he can fully move in. From Kelvin's experience, several lessons stand out. Number one, start with what you have and stay consistent. Kelvin started with 20 shillings, but because of consistency, he built his savings over time. Number two, create a structure for your savings. Having a predetermined amount to save helped Kelvin stay on track instead of relying on motivation or memory. Number three, where you keep your money matters. Don't just leave your savings lying around in a bank account. Instead, you can look for options like MMFs or SACCOs that can generate you interest. Lastly, a saving habit is more important than motivation. We have covered more finance tips like this through our website at money254.co.ke. You can also learn more through the link in our bio.